Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. So Fantom starts to show some signs of impulse to the upside. It's pumping a little bit here to the upside. Okay, it's not really a pump, but we see a few green candles. It's holding quite well, you know, compared to, it came down earlier or a little bit faster than some of the other cryptos, but then with the latest lows of Ethereum and Bitcoin, it actually did hold quite well. And it also made 5 waves down here in this C wave possibly, yeah. And I think it's ready, it could be ready for a move up from here, yeah. It has in this current correction, which obviously this move peaked at around 65 cents. We then broke below the trend line. We retested the trend line from below. It's typically what you see. So we came down in an A wave, here a B wave, and then in a C wave. And the C wave consists of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be finished. We could now move up. Mentioned it to you in the last video. I think we were around the same price range, that this is really hanging in there between 2 counts now. So it really needs to maintain the ideally the 42.5 cent level, which it did so far. But as a maximum, I would allow it to go down to 39 cents. Now it didn't even need to do that, and it's so far holding quite well. We've got a pattern complete, which doesn't mean it has to go up now, but it means we need to be watching for reversal at any moment. And as you can see, this is clearly, very clearly only a 3-wave move to the upside. So it's either here a 1, 2, 3, this here a 4, but then it should really move up imminently in a wave 5. Would need to break above 65.7 cents then, and could reach, and we can define a target here, target for the 5th wave based on the current low. So, I mean, first target is basically useless. That would be the 60 cent level. That it wouldn't even make a new high then, so that is not a valid target that we can use. But the second one, 71.7 cents is a valid target that we can use. Problem is here that the wave 1 was quite short, but we'll see. Typically when the wave 1 is quite short, the wave 3 is quite long, the wave 5 is normally not getting super extended, so I think it's a realistic target to talk about here, maybe the 71 cent level, especially as the wave 4 came down quite a bit. So see that as a guideline for a possible target from here. Now this is 1 count, and then after the 5th wave, we could consider this as a wave 1 complete. Now, the other count is, of course, that we've got something like this, that all of this is just an A wave. This here is, let me see. Oh no, we're coming down in a B wave, and we would then rally in a C wave afterwards. This is also possible. But if we do that, and let me just make that a little bit more obvious here, orange, and then we... Okay, so A, B, C. In a B wave, we can come down a bit lower. We can, and here the relevant key support will be 27 cents, which doesn't mean it has to go down to that level, but, well, it could be. And as long as we're holding 27 cents, we can still expect a rally in a C wave. Reason I count it like that is because we only have 3 waves up. When we have 3 waves up, it could either be, the current wave could either be a 4th wave, or it could be a B wave. Yeah. If it's a B wave, then, or you might consider it a 1, 2, 1, 2. That's possible. Well, okay. But either way, what you would then expect is that the move down was probably just the A wave of the B wave. We would then also probably from here somewhere move up in a B wave and then come down in C. So from that point of view, we should also see some kind of a bounce here. And if we get this B wave here, yeah, this sort of sub wave B before we come down in the wave C of B, we should then get into the region between 50.4 to 60 cents, but it should not exceed 60 cents. So 60 cents would be sort of the maximum in this particular scenario. So be ready for that as well. If we now start to rally and we see some weakness, maybe consider to move up a stop loss or so, or take some partial profits, because it could still come down and see. Those are the 2 scenarios I'm watching, but it looks like we have temporary support here. we've completed at least the minimum requirements of this correction, and I'm now very curious to see if we are starting to move up from here. So that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.